South Asian Chambers of Commerce meeting. This is a great platform for different business owners to come out and meet each other, discuss business and where today's business is going. And I would recommend, a lot of people to join. It would be a great opportunity to get to know different business people.
नमस्कार टीवी वन व्यूअर्स, मैं मुकुल बिश्नोई और हमारे साथ हैं आत्मा सिंह जो कि साउथ एशियन चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स के बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स में से हैं। हमारे साथ पिंटू अरोड़ा पिंटू ज्वेलर्स से हैं। हमारे साथ सोनी जी हैं जो आई लाइक सलून से बिलोंग करते हैं। मैं आत्मा जी से एक सवाल करना चाहूँगा। आप बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स में हैं यहाँ पर, तो साउथ एशियन चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स आप क्या देखते हैं, कहाँ क्या इसका पर्पस है, ये कहाँ क्या चाहता है, इसका मेमो क्या है, इसका एजेंडा क्या है?
एक्चुअल अब हम जो हमारी तीसरी पीढ़ी आ गई है, तो थर्ड जनरेशन होने के कारण क्या हुआ है कि हमारे बच्चे बड़े इंटेलिजेंट हो गए हैं, लेकिन वो अक्सर बिज़नेस ढूंढने के लिए दूसरी कम्युनिटी में, अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी में कई बार जाते हैं, उनको मिसगाइड होते हैं। और हमारे बीच में ऐसे एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं जो कि हमारे बच्चों को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से गाइड कर सकते हैं। अगर हमारी बिज़नेस चैम्बर होगी और हमारे बच्चे देखेंगे कि हमारे लोग कितने तरक्की पसंद लोग हैं और कितनी तरक्की की है और एक दूसरे का सपोर्ट करते हैं, तो क्या होगा कि हमारे बच्चों को एक बढ़िया बूस्ट मिलेगा और उनको एक ऐसा बिज़नेस ग्रो करने का शॉर्ट टर्म में चांस मिलेगा जिससे हम आगे। और दूसरी बात कि पॉलिटिकली और फाइनेंशली हमें सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत होती है। अगर हम कई बार फाइनेंशली जाते तो फाइनेंस में ही चले रहते हैं, अगर पॉलिटिकली चले तो हमारे जो दो विंग्स अलग अलग जा रहे थे उनको इकट्ठा करने के लिए एक सैम खान ने जो एक शुरू किया ये प्रोग्राम, साउथ एशियन बिजनेस चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स जो शुरू किया है, ये बहुत ही अच्छा एक स्टार्टअप है। हमें सबको चाहिए कि जो हमारे सारे बिजनेसमैन हैं एक स्टेज पे आके, एक बैनर के नीचे आके हम एक दूसरे के साथ खड़े हों और अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो करें। हमारे साथ पिंटू साहब भी हैं। पिंटू अरोड़ा साहब, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम पिंटू है जी। आई एम फ्रॉम पिंटू ज्वेलर्स इन न्यू जर्सी। मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि एज वी आर ऑल टुगेदर इन द सेम कम्युनिटी, वी शुड सपोर्ट आवर ओन पीपल एंड आई थिंक दैट गोना बी अ बिग हेल्प फॉर एवरीबडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन कमिंग अप। और इसके साथ क्या होगा कि हम सबको एक बूस्ट तो मिलेगा, जैसे आत्मा सिंह ने का बूस्ट मिलेगा, साथ में क्या विल बी बेनिफिटेड विद एवरीबडी। सो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्लेटफॉर्म। थैंक यू।
Good evening. My name is Wahid Paracha. I am the owner and CEO of Best Foods NJ Inc. We are a food company established in America since 1988 and promoting all Pakistanis and Indian product in United States. I'm very glad to see all people around here. It's a good opportunity that all South Asian people come together and meet and make a good, strong platform and grow each other businesses. And I think this activity will be help everybody to promote our culture and our business in this community. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mohammed. First name Mohammed, last name Ali, and we have a factory. I own a factory and operate a factory over here, which makes sports uniforms, and it's a made in USA product. Our factory is located in Edison, New Jersey. But today I have come here to introduce everybody to North American Cricket Association. Our mission is to bring cricket to America and put the cricket in colleges, so that people or kids, they play and they make a career out of it, out of this beautiful game that we all love, cricket.
Hello, my name is Vivek Rao. I'm from New Jersey and I'm marketing for medical lab. It's called Active Reference Lab. We're in New Jersey, local Linden. We're covering almost North America, heavily in New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, Connecticut, everything. We have all range of blood tests, tools tests, and breath tests. So we cover most of all kind of tests across the country. Any test we do is come with, we're taking care of also Medicare, Medicaid, and all other insurance. This is the first time we exploring South Asian Chamber, which is our first time me, but I'm very impressed by people to get network and most Indian entrepreneurs here, about 100 plus, 200 plus people here. And I'm really impressed by this association and encourage more people who is a business that come and join with this network.
Good evening, my name is Al Devji. I am the CEO of Devji Wealth Management. I run a wealth management company in Edison, New Jersey. We are here at the South Asian Chamber of Commerce, and as you can see, quite a number of business owners are coming and taking advantage of this networking event. I think it's a fantastic idea where all the business owners are coming in one place, networking and exchanging cards and contacts, and hopefully they are able to do business with each other.
Hi, I'm Dr. Shukla. I'm a pediatrician by profession and also an entrepreneur with many different business ownership. I am a co-chairman of South Asian Chamber of Commerce with Sam Khan. I'm very happy that we have launched this platform for all South Asian descent business owners. This platform is going to provide us advocacy that we need, not just as a liaison with the government officials, but also our own networking and to grow businesses. Sometimes we have certain needs and we do not know where to go. If we have an organized chamber, this will provide this as a resource for all our business owners. This also is a huge platform over which healthcare industry, IT industry, banking industry, art institutes, and many other facets of business have come together. We hope to continue to grow. Today we are here in large number and the strength continues to grow.
Tonight is a fall networking event for our South Asian Chamber of Commerce. And by joining our chamber, you get access to many options. South Asian Chamber of Commerce associated with largest South Asian organization called South Asian Community Outreach. We organize several events which give you a platform to reach out to so many clientele. There are so many people here of different origin, different business owners from the healthcare industry, from IT business, from retail association. There's so many of us. We are here in this room. I once again thank you very much. These are the people here who are going to help us grow, who are going to help our businesses. We have so many people here in this audience. We are working together with the governor's office, county offices. So if you have any issue, your business has any issues, then we are here for you. So this chamber is not providing only the networking, but it's also providing the resources you can utilize, you can use to success whatever the goals you have in life. I will just quick, if you want to just, our acting president, Dr. Nimisha Shukla, she owns the 3 pediatric clinics. She owns the largest radio stations, frequency 1600. So Dr. Shukla, please.
Thank you, Sam. It's really a great pleasure to develop this platform with all of you and keep building it. I see that there is a need definitely for business community, since we all know that South Asians are the leading community for all small businesses and mid-sized businesses today in America for last 5 years.
For the next year, 2019, we're looking forward to have new members, executive members, and board of director. And a few of the people I see, I would like to bring them on the podium. From the bank, Mr. Virzani, please can you come to the stage? Asif Bey from New York. We are starting very soon chamber chapter in New York, and we have so many people here, so that will be. Raja Razak, can you please come to the stage? Okay, so I will request now one of our another board of directors, Seema Jagtiani. Everyone knows her. She involved in so many social activities, and she is a business owner as well. So please, Seema Jagtiani.
Our Chamber of Commerce would be involving everybody, all sorts of different businesses. We have accountants, we have attorneys, we have doctors. We have the township to help us, so if we want to build and need permits, we have our township here together with us. We have the Board of Education represented by Ms. Shivi Prasad. We have Councilman Joe Coyle. So basically this is a pretty good big platform, and it cannot succeed without everybody's support. So I would definitely encourage all businesses, please come in, let's join hands, let's take it to the next level. And if anybody knows of anyone, it should be a platform where it should be a go-to place. So if you have any concerns, any issues, need any help solving anything, staffing, business plans. We eventually plan to evolve, bringing in more business ideas, and I would definitely recommend everybody to give us the most feedback you can.
My good friend Atma Singh, please, from the Sikh community, Atma Singh.
I'm not only from Sikh community, I'm from all Indian community and South Asian community. Don't put me on the side. This is very good chamber. I don't take long time. If you have very good goal and if you have very good ladder and you know where you have to go, then every people come together and we achieve our goals. But sometimes we make the chambers. I know a lot of chamber in New Jersey. When they start, they have very big goal. But later, after 2, 3, 4 months, they just change the visiting cards and nobody want to come there. If we all get together, our voice not only go up to governor, our voice go to Trump, White House. Our goal is big. I like to invite from this chamber, this stage, please come and join us and be a very, very big chamber. Thank you all media. Please send our message to all chambers. Thank you.
When we came in this country as an immigrant, we started from the apartment, bought a store. We were happy that we are contained, we are making money, feeding our family, kids are going to school. And then we look into our mandars and masjids and our religious independence and start working on it. I think as we grow as a community, realizing when you go to the township what happens, police station what happens, as you grow your business and you need variance and gotta go to zoning place, or as you grow further, you gotta build a hospital, you gotta build the townships and buildings and stuff. So what happens in this country and all other countries, and that's called lobbyist. So you cannot get anywhere if you don't have the lobbyists. And I consider as a chamber of commerce, it's really getting together, we all become our lobbyist.
My support and best wishes is with the organizer, and especially Mr. Khan, who is always in the front one and always organize things, and he always think big. And we all have to support the leaders, and I am behind you. Thank you.
This is the business community. Introduce yourself. Make sure you know who is who and who is who. Use each other. It's called business mixture. We are all business advocates here. We are all business people, and we all need each other. So I request everybody to exchange your cards, phone numbers. Make sure this chamber goes to the next level. Bring your friends, other business community next time, and we have to make a very big voice in the business community. Thank you, Sampan, for taking initiative, leadership, and bringing all the businesses together. And I am sure we'll go to the next level by next year.
Hello everybody, good evening. This is a good platform for the business people, and you all guys will enjoy that and join that. Bring your friends and let them make members, more members. We need more members, so we will be more successful.
As you can see, it's a diverse group of people here from different backgrounds, like everyone said, but the goal is to grow. The numbers do make a difference, and with Sam and the whole team here, we can make a difference, help each other out in different aspects of the business and grow together.
It's really nice to see such a great turnout, and the South Asian Chamber of Commerce, it's flourishing. So I am, again, I'm Shivi Prasad Madhukar, and I'm a current member of the Edison School Board. And I got elected in 2015, and my term gets over this year, so I will be on the ballot in November. So if you remember my name, please do vote for me. Thank you.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I'm sure we want to get to the food, right? But in any case, I thank you for having me here on behalf of the council, our council president, AJ Patel, and our mayor's office. We're proud to be a part of the South Asian Chamber of Commerce. Like Sam Khan said, the biggest message I have here is what you can bring to Washington. And hopefully you get together, you get in groups, and you go down there and have a voice, because their voice means everything. So as much as you want to build business with one another, as you get together continuously and you're consistent, like we've heard on this floor, get out there, let them know you're here, because what you've done in Edison has been an example of true democracy, business. Your kids are doing well, families are doing well. I'm very proud to be a part of this community, and I look forward to it growing. And hopefully this year we'll go down to Washington with 4 buses, and we'll get a bigger room. So really important. Thank you.
Welcome everybody. Happy to have you in the 18th district. And we're here to make sure that everybody's able to run their businesses and get their mission accomplished, whatever that might be, whatever line of work. And anytime you have any questions or concerns, feel free to give us a call at our office. We're happy to help.
Thank you, Nancy. Thank you very much. With another Pakistani largest TV1, Mr. Riaz, please, Riaz Babar.
Thank you for the introduction. I think this is one of the best platforms we got favorite. And TV1 since it's a local TV, it connects with all the facilities and